Why is it so hard to control forest fires? Just take a look at this scene from the Los Angeles wildfires. One mountain peak was set on fire, and in just a few hours, it completely burned all the trees. Strong winds carried the flames, and before long, other areas were also on fire. Homes were caught in the blaze, and despite the efforts of firefighters and even planes, the fire was just too big. In total, over 9,000 buildings were destroyed, and 180,000 people had to evacuate. Some watched in horror as the fire crept closer to their homes, while others came back from work to find their houses were gone. The city was left in ruins, with cars burned to ash, and only the skeletons of buildings left behind. The smoke and ash were so thick that the sun couldn't even break through, making it feel like the world was ending. And even now, the fire in Los Angeles keeps spreading. Let's hope they can conquer this disaster soon.